You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the universal smartphone, and it comes with a stand. But before we are going to do any further with this review, I just want to point out I also have a Dutch channel because these things are for sale with the action. So if you want to have some action time, you consider checking the Dutch channel and subscribing. But nevertheless, if you like the English, so let's go a little bit further and let's talk about the Battletron smartphone holder. So basically what this product is just what did I already say in bold. Oh yeah, great. They already sealed it a little bit, but let's open it up. Let's see if I can get it out without destroying the package. Oh man, this package is so flimsy. Alright, let's open it up. But nevertheless, what are we going to get is just this holder that is pretty universal. Keep in mind that not every phone is going to fit in if you're having this gigantic, let's say Samsung Note for example. But at the end, what it just basically does is give you more grip when you're playing some games. It comes including a stand, so if you want to watch a movie and put it in a movie position, that's pretty cool. But how it works is pretty simple. You're having here this little protection, you can see this little rubbery protection in the middle. That's for giving it more anti-sliding. Here we have the locking mechanism, and you just pull it out, put it in the right position, and that's it. You lock it and putting your phone in, and that's it. It's very easy to use, and yeah, let's grab a phone. That's the most important thing, of course. Alright, so let's get my don't want to say always Samsung, I mean my Huawei Honor. It's a big phone, not a big, but you get the point. What you can see over here, you just pull it out, that's it. It's very easy to use and it sits very well, and when you're done you just lock the mechanism and that's it. Right, so what I did notice, it still slides a little bit, so it doesn't fall out very easily, but I just want to show you that when you're playing it, it gives you indeed a little bit more comfort. So if you want to play some shooters for example, I think this thing is pretty cool. Let's power it on and let's go. So if you're a Call of Duty player, Fortnite, or you just want to play some casual retro games on your phone, I think this can be very cool. Right, so this thing clicks out. It's very sturdy, as you can see over here. I don't know how long it's going to last, but nevertheless. Alright, so you're gonna put it in this position. It's also very cool if you just want to watch some movies on YouTube, for example. Alright, so I'm not a big fan of the touchscreen, but that is more like I'm a retro gamer. So let's play a little bit, and what I'm really noticing when holding the phone like this works like a charm. This is really cool. I really like this. So for the €2.50 that you're paying for this, it is a very good add-on to your phone. But I need to point out, if you're playing shooters, there are a lot of new options out there. So this is just the Battletron, and there are some different brands. I'll leave a link in the description. For example, you're having the deluxe versions that have basically the same grip but have more attachment that you can put on your phone, and it gives you more like a little advantage playing the shooters. If you want to play some, just say pinball FX, or you want to play some retro games, this basic attachment is just a great way to have more comfort and play on your mobile phone for a longer time. So when you're putting it in this position, it stays very nice, and when you want to push it back, you need to put a lot of force. So how long this will survive, that is something we need to find out. It feels quite flimsy, but yeah, for the money I think we can't complain. Alright, so the Battletron universal smartphone holder, I just want to point out that there are different options out there. I will leave a link in the description of the Chinese versions, because there are also deluxe editions, and they are all pretty damn cheap. So you can pick this thing up in your local store Battletron, or maybe on Amazon. There are maybe different ways you can basically buy where you can buy this holder. It's just pretty universal. Battletron just relabel it and gives it a nice packaging. So this is what you're going to get. If you have any questions, you can also leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And yeah, if you're Dutch like me, don't forget to check out the Dutch channel. would be great to have you here on the community, because I will see you in the next video.